Tom and Jennifer had been married for about 3 years and had known each other for about 4 years. Jennifer had a 2-year-old daughter named Madison when she started dating Tom. Madison was 6 now, and she and Tom had grown close. They both wanted Tom to adopt her. Madison's natural father had been out of the picture since she was about a year old. Now, although he was ordered to pay child support, he hadn't paid any support or even seen her since Jennifer and him broke up. He owed about $35,000 in back child support. Once his parental rights are terminated and the adoption goes through, he's not going to owe any more child support going forward, but he's still going to owe the arrearage, the back child support. The adoption went through without a hitch, and after that, Jennifer started to pursue the back child support through the child support office. As it turned out, Madison's father had been injured on the job and had a pending workers' compensation case. The state child support agency placed a lien against that workers' compensation settlement, and when his case settled, guess what? Jennifer received the entire $35,000 in back child support. Now, it's important to keep in mind that although child support terminates when the parental rights of a parent terminates and there's an adoption, what was owed prior to that is still owed and can still be enforced and collected. In this case, the state continued to enforce the child support arrearage and collect it, even though father's parental rights had been terminated. Now, although the $35,000 was technically Jennifer's, she and Tom agreed to put it in a college fund for Madison so she could go to college when she turned 18. In a lot of cases I've handled through the years, adoptive parents will simply abandon whatever child support arrearage is owed by the natural father and go on with their life. What would you do in that case? Would you pursue the back child support? Would you place it in a fund for the child to use when the child turns 18? Or would you simply abandon the money and move on with your life? Or would you take the money and use it for yourself, which you have a right to do?